So here's a very quick one. Deborah brought a car in last night because the exhaust had snapped. So I put it on the lift, worked out what pieces we need, and left it overnight, and fixed up the exhaust this morning. Came to start it, flat as a pancake. I have never seen a battery with 0 volts in it. Left the lights on all night. Now the problem was, with these chargers like this or the top done, the battery won't charge if there's no volts in it. There's absolutely 0. So to get around that, I've jumped off the battery off another one and charging it up very slowly. It's at 62% now. But I wouldn't advise, like if you've got a really flat battery, to boost it off another battery, like jump it off, because it'll put an awful lot of stress on the alternator, and also it can buckle the plates in your battery. So just go gently Bentley, and have a go like this. So jump lead it, but don't start it, so that the charge is going into this battery and that one. Now this one's already charged up, so it's going to work out kind of nice. But like I said, don't jump off a car which got 0 volts. And usually cars don't start when they're about 10, 11 volts. But this, I've never seen one with 0 in it before. Anyway, see you later.